Yes, yes. People, hold on there now. Me just a fall back from the Grand Gala, you know. But me telling you the excitement, buck, you know. Me dance in the stadium, me the Prime Minister leg of the bird. Me know film bird fly go, but my one fly go up at Beverly Hills, you see me? We enjoy myself in the stadium, people. Me enjoy myself. Inside that, people don't never go so. Ah no, we don't even see what inside that stadium look like. We don't reach in that stadium, I know. Just reach back over here and I say, no man, if you talk about this, guys, me disappointed. So I got change job. Me look at them something, then I come back and tell them why. Me disappointed and oh, me never reach inside that stadium to enjoy like a 68th celebration. Then I come there. Yeah people, so me there back. Welcome to the Jamaica 60th disappointment vlog. Look, I go back from when the day starts. So Independence Day, feel nice, get up, as me wake up, I put on my Jamaican colors, my Jamaican hat, and I build vibes, and I say, yeah, fully vibes all day. See picture there. So I said to wife the day before, say, you know, some of them want to go Grand Gala, but I don't know if I have to work out, because I don't have a ticket. So I come in mind, say, I'm going to be the TV warrior, like I am every single year. I'm going to turn on my yard and watch the TV, wrap up in our bed, eat some ice cream and them thing there, and enjoy like a Grand Gala. So nice, dude. But lo and behold, wife say, babes, you know, so I get 2 tickets. I said, thank you, Jesus. We go Grand Gala. Somebody go buy one big old flag yesterday, because I say, I want one big Jamaican flag. So I said, this feels nice, because I go stadium now, and I go carry the flag by one stick, I'm just going to wave it in a crowd. I have the biggest flag in a stadium, and we are going to enjoy ourselves. No, so it go. It sound good, yes, it sound good. I have like an engagement before, you know. So I say, alright, I go reach stadium about after 6 them time there. But of course, as I say, I have my ticket, so now I have a chance. Because of course, them now go print more tickets than this stadium can hold. And of course, we know say the government thing and a Jamaica 60th thing. So it have to manage good. Me and my ticket and me turn up a stadium. Only if you see about 5,000 odd people turn up outside on the road. I try to find out how them can get inside of the stadium. My sister-in-law inside the stadium. She have 2 seats inside the RP for me and my wife to make sure she have 2 seats for me. Well, and people tell me say, well I wait for them there. And people tell me say me have 2 tickets them in my hand. And I can't go inside the stadium with the 2 tickets. And I like say I try to go in. I mean I have no ticket. I have 2 tickets left. And I can't reach inside the stadium. Me about 10,000 people. I watch me they say 10 or 5. You said no found inside the stadium and I trying to sell. When you lucky, when you couldn't bring me, I don't know. But anyway, I want me to say again. I turn up outside the stadium and the policeman them a push me back with them ass. That don't even sound right. Then they pan some horses and them push me back. When I time I'm gonna stand up, I'm not even realize I'm so close to one of the horse them. I only feel when some slap me in the side of my face, so the ass tail. People are not supposed to laugh, but I have to laugh. I go to one officer them and I say, officer, you know, so I have 2 tickets. And my sister-in-law there in the officer say, brethren, you know, the fire marshal locked the stadium. He locked the stadium and said nobody else can come in. I'm hurt, I'm disappointed, I'm upset. Look at me outside with the crowd. Can't go in. I see them push Pitney over the fence. I hear some 5 Pitney missing. Probably one of them, because for them parents never reach over the fence and just them alone. So me make up my mind, so I not go home, you know. I not go home, so I turn up outside the stadium for about 2.5 hours. Just stand up and look. I turn up out there and wife say, babes, you know, so I'm tired of turn up. You say I'm tired of turn up, you know, I'm going to sit down. I said, Jesus, I'm going to the stadium. Look how the fireworks look nice. Look how they project the Jamaica on the side of the mountain over there. So then we go see the drone them start going up in the air. So a man come across and say the indoor arena set up for the people them. The people them can't go in. Me take my disappointed self and my reluctant self. I'm going go over the Independence Village. I'm going to walk through it and I cut my eye and I kiss my teeth. I'm going to go over the indoor arena and I go sit down. See me here over the indoor arena. People me sit down in there all I go through my mind. Huh?
I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
Me sit down over there and I begs. Because first of all, they don't look at them prepare for nobody come over there. Look at you see it over there still, so anybody feel so bad. You know what make it worse? When you want to see the drone thing I go up in the air. If I watch the drone on the TV, I say, I could have told me I watch this. Go back then. I print more ticket than enough space inside the stadium and let in people never feel in there. I need some answers. And then now the little fireworks, alright, I say at least I can see little fireworks. I feel good in myself. Because I say to myself, so I feel like say at least I get little fireworks in my soul. I don't feel like the 2 little ticket them burn up. Like how the E2 have burn up right now people. But people, as soon as I step outside the arena and go so, I lock me eye and close the fireworks done. When you run out of fireworks, when you could go down to go buy a couple clappers. Make sure them don't get told and sell a bag of clappers and them thing there. You could go buy a couple clappers and flick up in the air. The fireworks just done so 2 minutes and just done so. What if I disappoint go on tonight? Me not lie. The production, especially when they are done, never good. Cause when I time Barrington leave it on the stage, I say, what really are going? Me not lie. Me know exactly how Spice feel when Spice said,
I feel away. I feel away.
me really feel away. Me feel away, people. I will probably disappointed, you know. What you probably disappointed? Me mean about 5,000 people or more than outside the stadium. I could not go inside with them legitimate tickets. So me want to know what kind of choppings go on. Anyway, happy Independence Jamaica. I love you, same way. I got my bed. I go watch one show and sit and get over this. I go watch a man kick one man in the face. That will make me feel better, like a Karachi. No, sir.